Welcome back to Rome Tech. If you're enjoying this content, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Securely store, manage, and share your files with OpenDrive. This cloud storage solution offers a range of features designed for both personal and business use. Whether you're looking for a safe place to back up your family photos or a collaborative workspace for your team, OpenDrive has you covered. OpenDrive's platform provides a user-friendly interface for seamless file access across multiple devices. Upload, download, and synchronize your files with ease, ensuring your data is always available wherever you are. With robust security measures in place, including encryption and access controls, you can rest assured that your information is protected. For individuals, OpenDrive offers flexible storage plans to suit various needs and budgets. Choose the plan that aligns with your storage requirements, whether it's for archiving documents, storing media files, or simply safeguarding important memories. Businesses can benefit from OpenDrive's team collaboration features, which allow for efficient file sharing and project management. Streamline workflows, enhance productivity, and maintain version control, all within a secure and centralized environment. OpenDrive also provides valuable features such as file versioning, allowing you to revert to previous versions of documents should the need arise. The platform supports a wide range of file types, ensuring compatibility with your existing workflows. Explore the possibilities of online backup and file sharing with OpenDrive's comprehensive suite of tools and discover a reliable solution for your data management needs. Secure your digital world with OpenDrive and experience the convenience and peace of mind that comes with knowing your files are safe, accessible, and readily available whenever you need them. Consider signing up for a free trial to experience the platform firsthand and see how OpenDrive can simplify your digital life. From robust security to seamless collaboration, OpenDrive empowers you to manage your data efficiently and effectively. Explore OpenDrive today and unlock the potential of secure cloud storage.